Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the network and device can do voice and data together. First, check your carrier supports VoLTE or VoLTE on both SIMs. This is the technical enabler. Next, make sure your phone has LTE and VoLTE toggles enabled in settings. Once done, enable mobile data and test a web page while on a call. If you can browse, you're ready to proceed to optimization. If not, switch to Wi-Fi calling or carrier settings updates before continuing. You now configure the phone for reliable simultaneous use. Set the preferred network type to LTE/4G so the radio keeps data active during calls. This prevents the device from dropping to 3G where data often pauses. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled as a fallback. When LTE quality drops, Wi-Fi will keep both voice and data flowing. If you use two SIMs, enable dual SIM VoLTE in the SIM settings so both lines can handle voice plus data without conflicts. You finish by testing and applying quick fixes. Place a test call and stream a web page or map to confirm data stays active. This proves the setup works under real conditions. If data drops during the call, toggle VoLTE off and on, or switch to Wi-Fi calling to restore simultaneous services. Make sure carrier settings are updated and reboot the phone. Those two steps often resolve stubborn radio or provisioning issues. If problems continue, contact your carrier for account provisioning checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.